Hi everyone, welcome back. I am Utpal Raj and in this video I will show you how to use LED flash for notifications on your iPhone. So LED flash notification provide a visual alert whenever you receive calls, messages or other notification. And this feature is especially useful when your iPhone is in silent mode or you don't want to really miss any notification. So first open settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and click on accessibility option, and within this page scroll down and find audio and visual option and click on it. Now on the audio and visual settings page, just go to bottom and click on flash for alerts. Within this section, first turn on the toggle right to flash for alerts and after that set it to LED flash. Also, if you want the flash to work while your iPhone is in silent mode, then turn on the toggle right to flash in silent, and after checking all these settings, the LED flash near camera will blink whenever supported notification arrive. So if this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.